Good morning, everyone. Good morning to the beautiful souls. Good morning to the sad souls, the happy souls, and the injured souls. I hope you heal and become a healer and help others, because nobody knows how it feels like you. We humans are good, unique creatures. We just need to appreciate that, help each other. Yes, we are not angels, but some of us have the power to help others. I learned something not long ago. Whenever I felt sad or I have bad feelings, I say, "Hold on, girl. You live only once, not twice. I'm not gonna waste it." So think about your life as irreplaceable, beyond price, and unique. Would you waste it just like that? Would you waste it on unworthy people? It's your life. Live it for yourself. Don't let anyone tell you how you should live your life. We're living in an infinite world. It's not just one galaxy. Yes, we don't know yet if there are others on other planets, but I want you to look to the big picture, to be higher than the circumstances. Only your thoughts are the limits. Who knows how you feel now? Sad, happy, or disappointed? I want you to remember, feelings are not real. Your thoughts are not yours. So be careful. Don't live in your mind with your thoughts. You'll be lonely even if with people you love. Make mistakes as much as you can. Enjoy it. No matter what, you live only once. Remember that you live only once. No matter how much you love them, no matter how much they love you, no one can bring back your life to you. No one. Make as much as you can of money. It's never enough. Live as long as you live. It will be just a memory. And even if they remember you for generations, what's the point if you're not here? If you think about it deeply, it's an endless list of questions. Where are all the people before us? What happened? What will happen to us? Why people are hurting each other? Till when? How long it will take for us to be human without greed, violence, and stupidity? Yes, every action we take, and name it smart move, it turns to destroy the planet. Do you know? There is no proof how the universe started. Till now, with all the scientific progress, everything about our existence is just a theory. Do you imagine that? Theory? So nothing is certain. Remember that.